Welcome to our video on the importance of networking in entrepreneurship. In today's fast-paced business world, networking has become an essential tool for entrepreneurs to grow their businesses and succeed in their ventures. In this video, we will explore the various benefits of networking and how it can help entrepreneurs achieve their goals. We will also discuss some tips and strategies for effective networking and how to make the most out of your networking opportunities. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. One of the biggest benefits of networking is the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and industry experts. Networking events provide a platform for entrepreneurs to meet new people, exchange ideas, and learn from others in their field. By building relationships with other entrepreneurs and industry experts, you can gain valuable insights and knowledge that can help you grow your business. Networking can also help you find potential investors, partners, and customers for your business. By expanding your network, you can increase your visibility and reach, which can lead to new business opportunities and partnerships. In short, networking can help you build a strong support system, gain valuable insights and knowledge, and find new business opportunities. It's an essential tool for any entrepreneur looking to succeed in today's competitive business world. Now that we've discussed the benefits of networking, let's talk about some tips and strategies for effective networking. First, it's important to be prepared. Before attending a networking event, research the attendees and the topics that will be discussed. When you meet someone, be sure to introduce yourself and ask questions about their business. Show genuine interest in what they do. Always have your business cards ready and be sure to follow up with the people you meet after the event. When networking, it's important to listen more than you talk. Take the time to understand the needs and challenges of the people you meet. Finally, be authentic and genuine. People can tell when you're not being sincere, so be yourself and let your personality shine through. By following these tips and strategies, you can make the most out of your networking opportunities and build strong relationships that can help you grow your business. Networking can be challenging, especially for introverted entrepreneurs or those who are new to the industry. One of the biggest challenges is approaching strangers and starting a conversation. Another challenge is following up with the people you meet after the event. To overcome these challenges, it's important to have a plan and be proactive. Before attending a networking event, set a goal for yourself. This could be to meet a certain number of people or to learn about a specific topic. When approaching someone, start with a simple introduction and ask open-ended questions to get the conversation flowing. After the event, be sure to follow up with the people you met. Send a personalized email or connect with them on social media. Remember, networking is about building relationships, so focus on making genuine connections rather than just collecting business cards. By overcoming these challenges and being proactive, you can make the most out of your networking opportunities and build strong relationships that can help you grow your business. In conclusion, networking is an essential tool for entrepreneurs looking to grow their businesses and succeed in their ventures. By building relationships with other entrepreneurs and industry experts, you can gain valuable insights and knowledge, find new business opportunities, and expand your reach. To make the most out of your networking opportunities, be prepared, be proactive, and be authentic. Remember, networking is about building relationships, so focus on making genuine connections rather than just collecting business cards. Thank you for watching our video on the importance of networking in entrepreneurship. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Good luck with your networking efforts, and we wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey.